Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage IoT solutions with Cisco Meraki step by step clearly. Begin by accessing the Cisco Meraki dashboard at dashboard.meraki.com. Log in with your credentials using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Organization tab located in the left-hand sidebar. Select Settings from the drop-down menu under the Organization tab. Here, you can configure organization-wide settings for your IoT devices. Next, click on the Network tab. Choose Create a new network to start setting up a new IoT network. Enter a name for your network and select the type as Security Appliance if your devices require it. Proceed by clicking Create Network to establish your new IoT environment. Now, go to the Wireless tab to add Wi-Fi configurations for your IoT devices. Click on Access Points to see available options for adding devices to your network. Select the appropriate access points based on the coverage and scale you need for your IoT solution. After that, head to the Devices tab in the left sidebar. Click on Add Devices to integrate your IoT solutions into the network. Enter the serial numbers of your devices or use the scanning feature if available. Once the devices are added, it's essential to configure their settings. Click on each device to customize the settings according to your IoT requirements. You can set specific SIDs, security protocols, and VLANs to segment your IoT traffic. Next, ensure you monitor device performance and health through the Network-wide tab. Utilize the Events log to track activity and troubleshoot any issues that may arise. Set up alerts to notify you of unusual events or performance issues. For device management, explore the Clients tab to view all connected IoT devices. This section provides information on traffic usage, health, and connection history. Implement firmware updates regularly to keep your IoT devices secure. Navigate to the Monitor tab, then click on Firmware to check for available updates. Lastly, stay informed of system performance through real-time dashboard analytics. Customize the dashboard to highlight key metrics relevant to your IoT solutions. After completing these steps, your IoT solution will be efficiently managed within Cisco Meraki. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.